Hi everyone, so this will be our first online class and we start with the general topic of measurement, which would be like area, perimeter, etc. And our objectives for today would be to determine what is a trapezium. So we're going to meet a new shape, trapezium, and some of you all probably met it in primary school, I'm not sure. And after meeting this trapezium, we're going to see how to calculate the area of a trapezium. So, what exactly is a trapezium? Here we have 4 examples of what a trapezium looks like, right? And let's just look at the properties. Properties of a trapezium. It is a 4-sided shape and it has one pair of parallel sides. So in each of these 4 examples here, you're seeing, yes, they are all 4-sided shapes. And a pair of parallel sides would of course be 2 sides which are parallel lines. So parallel lines are any 2 lines, like these 2 right here with the green sideways V on them, any 2 lines which are the same distance apart. So if we continue these lines, they will always be the same distance apart and they'll never touch or meet. Lines which are not parallel, like these 2 lines to the side here, if you continue them, they will eventually touch or meet. So every one of these 4 shapes here has a pair of parallel sides. There's the pair there, the pair there, the pair is over here. And in this shape, which is vertical, you see the parallel lines here. So once again, when you're identifying a trapezium, it is a 4-sided shape and it has one pair of parallel sides. So now we're going to look at how to find the area of these trapeziums. So finding the area of a trapezium. Here we have a trapezium. You see the parallel sides and you've seen some letters in there. So let me explain what those letters stand for. We have A and B labeling the parallel sides. So A and B stands for the length of your parallel sides, while we have a broken line on the inside with the letter H. Now this broken line stands for the perpendicular height of a trapezium. The word perpendicular means it meets at a right angle. So this height is at right angles to B and also to A. So the perpendicular height in a trapezium is a line connecting your 2 parallel sides and meets both of your parallel sides at right angles. So in our trapezium, we have our parallel sides A and B, and we have our perpendicular height H. The formula for area of a trapezium goes something like this. It is a half of A plus B multiplied by H. So this stands for a half of the sum of A and B. So you're adding A and B together, then you're finding a half of that, and whatever value you get, you're going to multiply that by your perpendicular height. So this would all make sense when we look at an example. So yeah, we have an example right here, and we have our trapezium. A and B would be a parallel side. So in this example, A is 15, B is 7, while our perpendicular height is 10. So applying the formula, area is equal to a half of A plus B multiplied by H, our perpendicular height. So we put in all the values that we know. A would be replaced with 15, B would be replaced with 7, while H is replaced with 10. So we're working it out like this. First, add A and B together. That's 15 plus 7, 22. Next, you find a half of that 22. A half of 22 is 11. Finally, multiply that 11 by your height of 10. 11 by 10, 110 centimeters squared.